Hey guys, for this photo shoot I use just one light, and in my opinion, one light is all you need. Here are the images from the photo shoot. Rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. Please share your honest feedback in comment section. For those of you that are photographers, how many light setup do you normally use for your photo shoot? And what are the reasons for using that amount of light setup? For these images, I use the Godos 8400 Pro. I normally shoot my images using strobe light. For those of you using continuous light, what are your reasons? Is continuous light worth trying out? Let me know in the comment section right now. There are some tips to keep in mind when shooting using just one light. The first and most important thing is the angle. That is the direction of the light, the beauty dish or the umbrella to the subject. And for this shoot, the beauty dish was set at 45-degree angle to the subject. The distance of the beauty dish from the subject also matters a lot. Try to make sure that the light coming out of the beauty dish is evenly distributed on the model so that you can have even skin tone throughout. It takes 1 second to like my video. That will make my whole day. So in order to support this channel, please like this video. Don't forget to also subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be among the first notified when without more helpful tips, tricks and photography tutorials. Happy to be part of the creative journey. See you in another amazing tutorial.